Hey guys, I'm Aldo Montenegro from South LA. I have a 1974 Datsun 260Z. Thank you for checking out my build at PASMAG Tuning 365.
All right, Aldo, man, it's good to see you here at Formula Drift Long Beach for PASMAG's Tuning 365. Love to see your build, man. The Datsun 260. Please tell me all about it, man.
Thank you. It's a 1974 260Z.
Yep.
It started off as a white car with the blue hood. I worked on it. I've had it for 6 years. The first year I worked on it back to back every weekend almost,
Wow.
and then started to work. You know, it sat for about 4 years, and during that time, you know, I saved up some money and stuff. Got it running. Used it for about 4 months the way it was. Make sure everything mechanically was sound and everything, and it was good. Stripped it all back down and went to go ahead and did the body work and stuff, and now she's here. She was done about 2 days ago. You know,
Beautiful. Now tell me about the parts, man. Wheels and tires. What do you got there?
So I got a Falken RT 660s on there, Volk T37 VSLs, 16x8 zero offset all around. So it's a square setup. Front suspension's full T3 Techno Toy Tuning.
Yes.
Rear is still just lowering springs with Koni Yellows in the back. So everything there's just, you know, it works.
Now you have the hood open. Everyone's checking the hood. What is done to the motor, man?
So motor's just fully rebuilt, back to like stock, you know, spec and stuff. I do have triple Webers for the DCOEs. They're just tuned, run smooth, idle smooth. It's just.
Did you tune them or a shop?
No, I actually just got them done by Eric's Racing 2 days ago. Picked up the car and drove it back, drove it here, and you know, no problem so far. 2 days in.
Nice. Congrats, man. So you finished the car literally just 2 days ago.
Yeah, I was very nerve-wracking.
You rolled it in.
First drive was here, so.
It's very nice.
Really nice, really good. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite part on the build?
Favorite part, man, it's just, I gotta say it's the motor. It just looks beautiful.
Are you
aside
planning
from the car?
Are you planning to do more on the motor?
Motor-wise, probably not now. You know, eventually maybe get some bigger carbs and stuff, you know, port the head, just extra little power.
More power.
Yeah, more power, but nothing too crazy.
Now, do you track the car at all?
Have not, it's just done. I do have plans on tracking it. I have a date set up for April 30th over
Nice.
spring. So.
Good luck on that, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Is that your first track day?
In the ZS.
In the ZS, yes.
I had a Miata track before, so.
Very cool. Well, Aldo, thank you for taking the time to show us your 260Z, man.
Thank you, thank you.